Good morning. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lori with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
And today we're doing our Stock Yarn Society unboxing. And so for October. And we always put Lindsay's in a bag. It's a surprise for her as well, so she never knows what she's getting either. And yeah, I'm excited for this month.
I do remember the spoiler you gave last month.
Yeah.
That it was wedding-ish theme related,
Yes.
something. So
Yes.
Here we
We're
go.
super excited.
Oh, okay. Oh my goodness.
Yes, I know. I know. So while she's undoing the bag, this is what it comes in. If you don't receive the Stock Yarn Society, this is what it looks like.
Oh
It
my
comes in a
goodness.
bag on brand.
There are so
many goodies.
Oh
There
yeah,
are.
this is totally Jessa. Like this.
Yes.
Yes.
So the main color of Jessica's wedding is sage green.
Nice.
And that's also the color of
Oh,
her
look at
wedding
that.
shawl. And then these are all the other colors that are in the wedding bouquet.
Love it. And it's called Toss the Bouquet.
It's called Toss the Bouquet.
I love it.
Isn't it gorgeous?
I mean, you just look at it, and if you know Jessa, it's like, yep, got it.
And what's so cool is
Look at
there's
that.
little specks
Oh.
of blue in there, which Anna thinks are for her, but there's always a little bit of, something blue in the wedding.
I love it.
So it's gorgeous, isn't it?
I'm loving those orange and red and pink speckles in there.
So Jessica said,
Just
people
so
are going to
good.
ask who dyed this because no one's going to believe that it was me.
It's true. It does look like the girls dyed it.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Great job. I don't even know where to start here. Okay, let's start with this one.
So these are little measuring spoons, and do you want to open it because they're
Yeah.
very cute? I think right here on the end.
Oh yeah. Sorry for
These
this.
I had so much fun putting this together for y'all.
Oh my goodness, they're adorable.
So you're getting little heart-shaped measuring spoons, and they say things on them. I just think they're so cute.
Okay. It says a pinch of joy, a dash of tenderness, a spoonful of affection, a heap of love.
Isn't that cute?
So kind of like all the things Jessa
Yes.
registered for
Yes.
at her shower.
Yes, so it all kind of goes with.
Yeah. Yes. I love it. That's a fun gift. And this is super fun.
This is the bottle opener. And the key to happiness is love. And these are actually being given out at the
that's
wedding.
cool.
So it'll open a bottle.
So I'll get another one.
Yes.
So my husband can have a bottle opener.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
And, okay. Yep. I know why you said that earlier now. I love the color of your stitch marker.
Thank you.
It's like a reddish, pinkish plum color.
Thank you. Yeah, it goes with the accent colors that are in Jessica's actual bridal bouquet.
And of course, I mean, I know who this is from, right? The Sexy Knitter.
No, actually,
No?
that's ours.
Really?
Yes.
So I just bought a Sexy Knitter thing, and that one is like exactly
It
what
is.
I just showed Lori.
It is.
And she's like, oh, you're going to like something in the box.
So we actually manufacture those here in store. So those
Nice.
were actually Miss Luann manufactures those here in store. So
I just love
she
that
put
color.
those together for us. Aren't they pretty?
I just love.
Yes.
I mean, and I am not like a red fan. I don't know, something about the tone of that.
Yeah, the girls
it's
did a
kind
good
of
job.
like,
Yes.
yeah, in the dark right there.
Yes. It's really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
We love it.
Okay, and of course we have a tea, a
Pumpkin
decaf
tea.
this time,
Yes.
and some kisses.
And those say hugs and kisses from the new Mr. and Mrs. on
Oh
the
my
bottom.
gosh.
Yes.
That's adorable.
So definitely completely on point with the wedding theme. I'm like, y'all,
that is so
look
fun.
at the speckling on this is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah,
I can't
it really
even,
is.
it's so beautiful.
It really is.
So we're like super happy with the way it turned out. Do you want to show the progress on your blanket?
sure what
Y'all know
progress
you
I've
know
made.
that we're doing the 7 hashtag these chevron year itch knit along, make along through our Ravelry page and Always Yarn First Instagram.
I don't even know. Like, you can't even.
It's so beautiful.
So I don't even have last month's color in at all.
I don't have last month's color in at all either.
I was getting now. I was doing so well most of the year.
Too.
And then,
but then other projects could take over.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to stress about it.
Mine, I'm not either.
Yeah.
This is August. I don't even have September's in yet either. But
you're getting ready to, though.
Look how beautiful. Yeah. I'm like, it is so giant. Like, it's so giant. But it's so pretty. I love it.
Last night I spread mine out on the floor. Of course, my cat immediately laid on it. I might put in a picture here because it was super cute.
That would be awesome.
Just to see how long it's going to be, because I have 6 full month boxes in there. So I'm like, it's going to double that. And it's already very long.
Mine is super long, but my husband is 6'3". And so I did want it to be, but I know that I'm going to be shortening up my months.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I probably am going to shorten up my wedding cake a little bit just to squeeze it in, fit it in, but I love it.
Yeah. And that's what I talked about doing too.
It's going to be beautiful. Bringing this in.
Yeah.
It's going to be stunning. What I love about it, Lindsay, is this. When you look at it, it's very winter. Mm-hmm. And then it goes down and it's, you know, it's kind of wintry feeling. Mm-hmm. And then it goes into spring because this is cherry blossoms.
Yep.
And then it goes into summer.
Yep. Yep.
And like tropical. Yep. And then it's leading down into fall.
Last month was apple theme.
Yes.
Yep.
So that's kind of so far been kind of the way it's going to, a year's worth of yarn in a blanket.
And how special, even more so, like this is already going to be like your first year of your boxes for when you look at your blanket. But then when you see this color, you're going to think of Jess's wedding. I mean, I'm going to think of Jess's wedding.
It was important to me, all of our subscribers, it's important to me that you feel like you're a part of our family because you are. And I wanted y'all to feel like you were part of the wedding as well. And so that's why we did all of the things. And I just really had a lot of fun with this month's putting all the things together. The yarn came out exactly how I envisioned it.
I mean, you look carefully, you do see Lori in there. I mean, look at this like pink in here. Come on.
We work on. Well, you know what they really wanted to name it was "This Isn't Lori's Wedding." They really wanted to name it "This Isn't Lori's Wedding," but toss the bouquet one.
Yes, I agree with that one. So
yeah. Anyway, join us on our make along.
Yeah.
You can knit or crochet. It has to be a blanket. And it has to be a chevron. It can be a baby blanket, a throw.
Yep, anything.
Anything.
And we're going to pull a prize next month. So make sure you're using the hashtag. It's on the screen.
Post pictures. We really want to see your pictures.
Yeah, and you don't have to use Lori's yarn.
No,
however,
you don't.
If you do and you post it on Arkansas Yarn Co. Ravelry group, you get an extra entry for a prize.
Yes,
if you use any of Lori's yarn, not just the Sock Yarn Society box.
Yes, it can be anything. If any of it has my yarn in it, you get double entry, which is awesome.
But I mean, the thing about a chevron blanket too is it's a great stash buster.
It is.
Which I've been really focusing on trying to do that with my stash this year. So it's a great thing to just open up your stash and see what you have. And
you don't have to do big chunks like we're doing.
Right.
We specifically wanted to use a Sock Yarn Society for it. For our blankets, but you could do small striping and it would be just as lovely.
Totally.
It would be gorgeous. I'm actually going to do it again, and I'm probably going to alternate mine in small.
I mean, so obviously if you haven't signed up for the Sock Yarn Society box, get on the waiting list.
Yes, I think we are opening it back up for new members in November. It'll be November 1st. And I will tell you that there are going to be just a very, very few limited spots.
Right.
So, very, very limited spacing in there.
So it's a very special box. You're never disappointed with the goodies, the yarn, nothing. So,
we love it.
Yep.
It's fine.
So join us, and we're already, thinking about what to do next year. We've had so much fun this year with the
We've
yarn.
had a lot of people have fun with us too.
Yes. So put your thoughts below on that. Like,
comment.
What would you like to make, or what are you making with the Sock Yarn Society box?
Yes.
We'd love to see it.
Lots of people are just making socks.
Yeah.
And that's fun too.
Nothing wrong with socks.
All right. Well, until next month, we'll see y'all another time.
Bye
y'all.